So I don't think that people should panic. This may be no different than any of the previous variants.
As Alberta records its first cases of a new COVID-19 variant with an ominous and unofficial nickname, the Kraken, children also now have access to a new vaccine. So what does 2023 have in store for Alberta parents?
And the pessimists in this world start implying that we're all going to die of this variant.
But Dr. Joan Robinson does not believe this is the case with a new, more contagious Omicron subvariant officially called XBB.1.5, now the dominant strain in the United States.
Sure, people are, again, tired of hearing about new variants. Kraken may be a bit more interesting even its name and getting boosters, but it remains the easiest, best way to keep yourself safe.
As experts keep an eye on it and remind we already have tools to keep the public and our healthcare system safe.
I think the best thing that people can do really is to get their bivalent booster. Uptake of that bivalent booster is very, very low across the country, probably less than 20%, lower in Alberta than other parts of the country.
And Alberta expanding the bivalent booster Thursday, which means it protects against 2 strains of COVID-19 to include kids 5 and up, and also being offered to those 12 and up a different vaccine. The Novavax is protein-based.
I think if there are parents who somehow are still concerned about messenger RNA vaccine safety, despite the fact that billions of people have received them, there'd be nothing wrong with going with the Novavax vaccine.
Dr. Robinson saying right now pediatric hospitalizations are being driven largely by one of the worst influenza seasons in recent memory.
There's just this slow burn problem of people not wanting to get vaccines for COVID or flu, frankly.
And already, Alberta flu shot numbers appear to be below even pre-pandemic numbers.
It's unlikely we're going to put in any mandatory measures, very, very unlikely, to the bordering of not going to happen. But I think in the new world, people got to make their own decisions around how to protect themselves best. And for sure, the best ways to get a vaccine.
In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.